Pumbaa, I think you've woken him up now.
Hey!
Pumbaa.
What the fuck are you doing? Get out! Get out! Go on! Oh my god. Move! Fat bastard. That was a fat bastard.